Hello friends, in this tutorial we talking about the thickness. We select the plane and going to the sketch. We made a circle and going to extrude or pad this circle by 200 mm and going to shell command. Shell means material domain, this one, and we select the removable part, removable face, and we press 1 mm thickness here. We taking 2 mm thickness, 2 mm, and going to OK. And this is the output of this shell command. You see, this is अंदर का मटेरियल सारा का सारा निकल देता है, सिर्फ थिकनेस दे देता है इसको. ये ग्लास बन गया. देखो, ड्रम बोल सकते हैं, ग्लास बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी आपको चलेगा वैसे. तो हमें अभी थिकनेस देनी है. तो ये देखिए, ये थिकनेस कमांड है. तो हम सिंपली इस फेस को सिलेक्ट करेंगे अंदर के और थिकनेस कमांड पे जाएंगे. तो ये सिलेक्ट हो गया. देखो, ये अभी 2 mm देंगे, इसको 2 mm देंगे और ओके. सो दिस इज द 2 mm थिकनेस. हमें को बाहर से बढ़ाना होगा, अंदर का वॉल्यूम वही रखना है. तो हम बाहर का फेस सिलेक्ट करेंगे ऐसे और गोइंग टू thickness command. See, the outer side surface is selected, so taking the 3 mm and going to the OK. This is the enlarged thickness. We use this command on the square also, hexagon also. We where we taking the selecting this plane and we taking square or rectangle, going to the pad and shell, going to the pad 200 OK, and going to the shell. Selecting this surface and 1 mm thickness we taking and press OK. This is the shelled rectangular body, and this we use this thickness command on this thickness command and click the surface. Which are this surface we increased by 3 mm, so press OK. See, this is increased by 3 mm and this is 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm, and this is only 3 mm thickness. So this is working like this. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. This is a threaded or tap. This select the plane and this is we seen in this whole command. This we here threaded definition, and this we click here threaded and make the point, this point, and we tapped or threaded the hole on these surfaces. So this command and this command likely same, so you use directly this, I suggest. So see you in the next tutorial. We meet in next tutorial for next interesting topic. Thank you.